Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you solve your TikTok messages is not sending problem, or you cannot get or you cannot receive any kind of message on TikTok. So how can you solve it? So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you that step by step. So guys, before starting our video I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So first you need to check out that you need to go your profile like that, and then you need to tap on this top right corner three dot option and then go to privacy, and after that you need to check out there have option who can send you direct messages. You need to check out no one's. If in this selected no one, you need to select friends or everyone, you need to select it. Okay, after after you can check it, you if you didn't get any kind of message after check it, so what should you do? Just go to your phone Play Store and then go to TikTok, and you need to check out that your TikTok apps is updated or not. There you can see my TikTok apps is not updated, so you need to update your TikTok apps. Then you let's back, and then you need to open your phone settings and then go to apps option and then go to manage apps, and now you need to find out TikTok from here, and then you need to clear all data from here and then go to permission. And after that, what should you do? You need to allow everything like that. You need to allow everything, and after doing that you can open your TikTok apps. And now I hope if anyone send you message, you can get it, or you can send anyone message so he can get it. So now I hope your TikTok messages not sending problem or not receiving problem is solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.